trying to stay organized in a one-car garage is pretty hard, especially when you got so much hoarding going around. So when Fab Heavy Parts reached out to me and offered me a little solution to keep things organized in this small garage, we definitely took it. Right over here, we got a welding cart. And instead of my welders laying all around the shop, at least we can try organizing it in one place. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and throw on some welders on here. Thank you Fab Heavy Parts for sponsoring this video and providing us this welding cart to demonstrate. Got wheels, nice wheels. Installation was pretty simple. Everything was laid out in front of you, pretty well packaged. I started doing the install, but honestly it started getting dark and gloomy outside. We had to take this stuff in. I also had to go to work, so I did the next best thing and I pretty much had my wife assemble it. Well, again, she surprised me. She assembled it while I was at work, which was a nice surprise, and it just shows you how easily the install is. So this is my current TIG welding setup. Very similar cart. You got your big argon tank for welding TIG, and you got the prime weld. This one is a master, is a workhorse also, prime weld, 225X AC/DC. As you can see, the footprint of this thing is massive. Had to bend these edges to even fit. So it's a good machine, but it's a big machine, and a lot of newer machines are much smaller. As you can see, look at the difference between the two setups. One TIG machine on this rig, and here you got a TIG machine and a arc welding machine. Everything by Arc Captain. Really nicely organized. Got my TIG gloves, got my arc welding gloves, and you got a couple of closed drawers here for your consumables. For example, here I got some deburring tools, a scribe, and some Dremel tools here as well. Got some tungsten and consumables and different size bits for welding. Got some flap discs and cutoff wheels for steel, and then I also have some flap discs and cutoff wheels for aluminum. But overall, this setup makes it very clean, organized, minimalistic, and much better. I'm gonna go ahead and just swap the argon tank right here, and you guys will see the difference. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video on the Fab Heavy Parts welding cart. And I've got to say, overall, I'm really impressed with what you get for your money. It gives you a solid heavy-duty setup for your welder, tools, accessories, and all that stuff that normally ends up all over the place in the garage. The biggest thing I like is having everything in one place and being able to roll the whole setup wherever I need it. For anyone building out a garage workshop or doing a lot of fabrication, having a good welding cart can make a huge difference. If you guys want to check this cart out yourself, I'll leave all the information down in the description. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this Fab Heavy Parts cart. If there's anything else you want to see me test or review.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along.